Hi, it's Sean with TriState Water Works. So sometimes when we cut out to your yard to add a zone to a system or do some major excavation for your lawn sprinklers, we have to have utilities marked and other underground obstacles that we might encounter. So things like the utility companies have installed in your ground, your electrical lines, your gas line, telephone and cable, we call the Ohio Underground Utility Protection Agency to come out and mark it. And in Kentucky, there's another company that marks them down there. And these companies come out and work for the utilities, and they come out and paint your property with different colored paints to mark where the utilities are. So it's very important to get that done if we're doing major excavation, so we don't cut your cable or your fiber optics coming into your house. But there are a lot of things in your yard that don't get marked by the utilities. Maybe you have a dog fence. They won't mark that, so we need to know where the dog fence is. You have downspout lines underground feeding from your gutters to somewhere else in your yard. You could have electrical cables going to a lamppost, landscape lighting wire. There's a whole myriad of things that are buried in your yard. So it's helpful to us if you let us know what you have, and some of those things we can mark ourselves. A lot of times the downspout lines, we can visually see those. Dog fences, we can mark those with our tracing equipment. Lampposts, sometimes we can mark that with our tracing equipment too. But it is important to have these utilities marked so that one, we don't inconvenience you by cutting off your utilities, but two, there's a big safety precaution as well. We don't want us hitting a gas line and causing a major fire or some other kind of catastrophe in your yard. So if we're going to do work, we will take care of the public utilities. The private things will need your help and your assistance by letting us know what is involved in your yard and what utilities that are there that you can let us know about that the public utilities won't mark for us. Sometimes customers will call us up because they're having a fence put in and they want us to come out and mark things for them. So you can't call the utilities company to come out and mark your irrigation system, but we can come out and flag your sprinkler heads and flag the valve boxes and find the main line and the wire for the sprinkler system. So we can have all of your irrigation marked. We can also mark things like your landscape lighting wire as well. So once we have all those things marked, you can have your fence put in, or maybe you're having a swimming pool put in, or your landscapers coming in to do some new plantings. We can have those things marked for them so that they don't do any damage to your lighting or irrigation system.